Hello, and welcome to this demo on the Show All Matches feature. This video provides an overview of the feature, explains how to use it, and demonstrates its use for identifying UI elements through different targeting methods. We'll begin with a brief overview. The Show All Matches feature can be used during the selection of a UI element or while editing an existing selection. This allows us to quickly identify all matching UI elements for any targeted method. To use this feature, simply click on the eye icon next to each targeting method. This will display all UI elements highlighted through the selected method. Let's see this feature in action. For this demonstration, we have a pre-built workflow. The workflow opens UI Demo app and types into the cache-in field. Now let's edit the target for our Type into Cache-in field activity. Note that the process of using the Show All Matches feature remains the same, even when indicating a new target. Here are all the targeting methods. As we already know, the robot uses 3 targeting methods: a selector, a fuzzy selector, and an image to identify the UI element. All 3 methods are concurrently used at runtime, but the robot automatically selects the fastest method that successfully locates the element by checking target and anchor candidate pairs for redundancy. There may be situations where we need to fine-tune a targeting method to reduce the number of identified candidates. This is where the Show All Matches feature comes in handy. It allows us to see all the candidate UI elements identified for each targeting method. Let's click Show All Matches for the strict selector method. This method identified the correct field that we wanted to identify. Next, let's try this with the other 2 methods. The fuzzy selector identified all 3 similar fields. Likewise, the image method also identified all similar fields. We've used Show All Matches for all 3 targeting methods, and based on its results, we can say that the selector method was able to correctly identify the target UI element. Furthermore, we can use the Show All Matches feature for anchor elements as well. Let's give it a try for all the methods for an anchor. The strict selector method correctly identified the target UI element. The fuzzy selector method also worked well. The image targeting method was also able to correctly identify the target UI element. Let's confirm our selection to finalize the target UI element. This concludes our demo on the Show All Matches feature in UI automation. Here are a few key takeaways. The Show All Matches feature highlights all candidates for a targeting method. Show All Matches can be helpful in fine-tuning targeting methods. When indicating a target anchor or editing a target anchor, make sure you use the Show All Matches option. By doing this, you will be able to assess the accuracy of your UI automation and the reliability of each targeting method. Thank you for watching, and happy automation!